ORABOND transfer tapes are used for a wide variety of industrial applications, such as architecture and construction, automotive, household appliances, signage, electronics, and solar panels for the production of metal and other plastic fascias, such as nameplates and decals. ORABOND transfer tapes are also used for the lamination of membrane switch assemblies and other electronic component mounting in cell phones and other similar applications. ORABOND transfer tapes boast 3 adhesive types, providing excellent bonding to low-surface energy plastics and coatings, high-performance moisture stability when exposed to high temperature and humidity, and eliminating slipping or lifting once bonded. ORABOND's dispersion acrylic adhesive is water-based and solvent-free, leading the way in sustainability. ORABOND transfer tapes boast versatile adhesives, liners, and carriers and are available for slitting and die cutting. You can learn more about ORABOND adhesive properties by visiting the Americas region of ORAFOL.com and clicking on the product components under the Adhesive Tape Systems section. Most ORABOND transfer tapes are UL and/or FDA certified, while offering multiple uses for seamless applications. ORABOND transfer tapes provide long-term durability, resulting in cleaner adhesion and superior performance that you can count on. ORAFOL offers many tools to help you select the best tape for your next application. Visit the Americas region at ORAFOL.com and click on the support page. Here, you can download the ORABOND Industrial Tapes brochure. You can also connect with an ORAFOL authorized distributor located near you.